All right, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome you to Montego Bay, Jamaica. To start off, we have the bathroom, complete with a jacuzzi tub, plus a shower, and I guess this is officially called the water closet because it's literally a closet. But, moving on, we have, a nice closet over here, not the water closet. And if you are thirsty, we have a wide variety of selections included, plus some more down here. And then, should you decide to sleep, there's a lovely bed over here. And, oh look, it comes with a wife in the room. What a good deal. And there's a TV here, but we have this wonderful living space over here. But, Jenny, I can't see the TV over here. That is a problem. Oh, look. Thank you, in-room wife.
You're welcome.
But now, the fun doesn't stop here because, well, I guess the fun is ending there for her. But we have an ocean. And to complete the ocean, we have a hot tub.